Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're gonna go and harvest what we can out of the garden. So let's go. First I want to show you my solution for things eating my flower buds and berries and stuff. So I put these little mesh sachets over everything. So I actually have a Szechuan bud ready to go. I'm really excited to try it. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this lettuce leaf basil. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Okay, we're gonna top these because they're starting to flower, and you don't want basil to flower because then it will start to die. So we'll just pull the tops off these and let it keep going. Oh, so cool. And then here's my regular, oh no, this is my tower basil, emerald towers. And they get really nice and tall. Here's my regular basil again. Pull off any that look like they might flower. We're gonna have a lot of basil to do something with. Maybe some pesto or something. My thyme looks gorgeous. My parsley's finally filling out. I'm gonna take these out. I don't need these anymore. These are for covering it up when it was still cold. My lavender is gorgeous. Oh, we got a dandelion growing up in here. Sage. Some of it has flowered. I don't know. Oh wait, no it hasn't. That's my mint. So for mint, we'll do the same thing. Pull off any that are flowering. Now with mint, you kind of want to prune it just so that it bushes out a little bit better. You just kind of top everything. Really should have brought some shears out here. But yeah, we've got really healthy looking rosemary. Oh, I just love this. All right, we finally have some flowers. Look at these. I think these were my Cleomes maybe. Oh, I'll have to look, but these are gorgeous. Let me give you a closer look. Oh my gosh, look how pretty those are. So pretty. My other flowers are coming up too. I actually have some chamomile growing finally. My Oscars with the really puffy seed ball pod things are getting nice and tall. More basil that I just topped. Oop, and I missed one. So see how this one's kind of getting a little flowery looking thing on top? Pull that. Over here we've got patty pan squash. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I have a cucumber. Oh my gosh, I have multiple cucumbers. Those might be a little too big, but cucumbers. Oh man. I had a little zucchini, but it's been munched on. It might be okay still. We'll just cut around it. Oh my gosh, come here. Look in here. I have a tiny watermelon growing. And, oh my gosh, look at the size of this melon. Look, oh my gosh. I have another one right here. I think those maybe were cantaloupe, honeydew, I can't remember. Oh my gosh, I still have a sugar snap pea. Over here I have yard-long beans ready to go. Goodness. Look at all these yard-long beans. I'm gonna leave the skinnier ones to keep growing, but we'll pick a few for dinner or something. These always do well for me, so I like to plant them every year. It just kind of builds my gardening confidence, and they're delicious, so why not? All right, we'll call that good for these. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at my gorgeous zinnias. Oh, and I even have some straw flowers coming in. Oh, this makes me so happy. All right, we're gonna grab some flowers. All right, we'll grab some scissors and come back and get more. All right, and I've got yard-long beans here. Some are too far gone, like these are kind of mushy. So we're just gonna let them fall where they are and reseed themselves. But we have some that are nice and healthy. I even have yard long beans sprouting up over here. Okay, this is my shishito pepper plant. And I do have a few that are ready to go. Got some good shishito peppers there. Hiding back here, we have some crushed red pepper peppers. They don't look great. So there's those. Let's prune my rhubarb. My goodness. And remember, you cannot eat the leaves, so just leave them in the compost. All right, we have a bunch of jalapenos to pick. So we'll just get all these. Here we have some ripe Tabasco peppers. Oh, look at that. More jalapenos. Look at that big one. We'll leave some of the littler ones just to grow a little longer. Look at those. And I want to show you that I finally have some tomatillos growing in there. Oh, and I have a sweet little bumblebee. My tomatoes are still all green, like tons of green. Some are finally turning orange, but the tomatoes are taking forever to take off. I'm just gonna grab these yellow ones because this might be my yellow variety and I don't want them to go to waste. So we'll pick the darkest ones. I lost one in the jungle. There, we'll call that good for now. Okay, I think we're gonna call that good for today. It's starting to rain. So here is today's harvest, plus I'll go back and get some more zinnias with some scissors. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys, bye.